The Zeigarnik effect is a psychological phenomenon that states people tend to remember unfinished or interrupted tasks better than completed ones. Russian psychologist Bluma Zeigarnik discovered this effect after observing that waiters at a restaurant remembered unpaid orders much better than paid ones. Psychologists argue that unfinished tasks create a sort of cognitive tension, prompting people to complete the task and thereby free up cognitive resources. So, how can we apply the Zeigarnik effect in UX? One primary takeaway from the Zeigarnik effect is that people feel compelled to finish tasks after starting them, therefore making it easy for users to begin high-value tasks can increase the likelihood of completion. For example, some e-commerce sites where people typically buy single items offer a one-click purchasing feature, enabling users to shop with just one click. Similarly, linking social media ads directly to the target product's detail page rather than a general landing page can significantly reduce the effort required for users to relocate that item. Secondly, utilize signifiers to visualize unfinished tasks, such as progress bars or checklists. This strategy offers dual benefits. On one hand, it informs users of the remaining steps and helps set expectations. On the other hand, these visuals also create a sense of incompleteness, enticing users to complete them. For instance, the progress bar in an e-commerce checkout flow informs users about the current and pending steps. This technique can also be used during the onboarding process. Notably, use a checklist at the bottom left of the page, motivating users to explore basic features in order to check them off the list. Third, craft engagement goals artificially and set rewards for their completion. Gamification elements like a badge system or a reward meter can motivate users to engage more with an app. Duolingo, for instance, employs this tactic to encourage continuous learning. Users need to complete a variety of learning quests each month to earn a unique monthly badge. Another achievement system encourages users to maintain their learning routine, like the 365-day strike achievement. Fourth, after users finish reading the page, introduce content or product recommendations. Video platforms use autoplay features, reinforcing the illusion that there is always more content available. Similarly, Pinterest layout design leverages this principle of incompletion, inviting people to scroll and view more. Fifth, if users get interrupted, the system should help them resume tasks and remind them of their progress, facilitating the task completion process. For example, after users leave a site or app, remain the items left in their cart instead of removing them. Finally, return to app notifications also utilize the Zeigarnik effect. Again, take Duolingo for example. It sends learners reminders to continue with the learning process. However, be cautious with the notification frequency. Only send alerts for critical tasks and allow users to customize both the type and the frequency of notification. Otherwise, this strategy could backfire.
Thanks for watching. If you want to see more of our UX videos, take a look at these over here and consider subscribing to our channel. On our website, nngroup.com, you can access our free library of over 2,000 articles. You can also register for one of our UX courses that offer live, hands-on UX training.